Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a screensaver on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the white circle icon at the bottom left of the screen. In the app menu, open Settings. Select Personalization. Select ScreenSaver. Enable the toggle to turn it on. For the screensaver, you can choose from a selection of your own photos from Google Photos, or select Art Gallery to get curated artwork and images from Google. Once that is set up, your screensaver will now come on when the screen is idle and the Chromebook is connected to power. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.